Engine run-on, where your car keeps running after you turn off the ignition, can be caused by several issues. In modern cars, electrical faults are most common. This includes a faulty ignition switch, a fuel pump relay stuck in the on position, or even software glitches in the engine control unit, especially in vehicles with start-stop technology. Mechanical issues like stuck fuel injectors or carbon buildup, more common in older or diesel engines, can also cause the engine to keep running by providing unintended fuel and ignition sources. Less frequent causes are fuel-related, like vapor lock, especially in hot climates. If your engine won't turn off, immediate action is crucial. First, turn the key completely to the off position, engage the parking brake, and shift to neutral. If this doesn't work, try disconnecting the negative battery terminal using insulated tools to prevent sparks. Refer to your car's manual to locate and pull the fuel pump fuse or relay. In a diesel engine, you can try covering the air intake to starve the engine of oxygen. Some modern cars have a kill switch or app-based remote shutdown features. Remember to get a professional diagnosis after the incident to prevent future occurrences. Regular tune-ups, injector cleaning, and software updates are key for prevention.